Hello everybody, my name is Rocket and you are watching Rocket in Vermont. Today I'm in Quechee for a very special event with my friend PJ, the Executive Director of the Hartford Area Chamber of Commerce. PJ, where are we?
We are at the Quechee Green celebrating Father's Day with the 43rd annual Quechee Hot Air Balloon Craft and Music Festival.
I thought it was just called the Quechee Balloon Festival.
No, it's the Hot Air Balloon Festival.
Anyway, can you tell us?
Adjectives in there.
There are a lot of adjectives. Can you tell us what this event is all about?
It's all about families having fun, like I said.
PJ's very busy tonight, but thank you for organizing this. He put this whole thing together himself, completely.
With 100 volunteers.
100 volunteers, and we do thank the volunteers for their efforts. PJ, thank you for your time, and thank you for putting on this magical, amazing event.
Thank you, Rocket.
See you around. So as you can see, there's vendors here, over 90 vendors selling arts, crafts, food, there's live music, there's dogs doing tricks. It's pretty cool. This whole place is family friendly. It's right here in Quechee, which is halfway between Woodstock and White River Junction. If you didn't make it this year, make sure to book it in your calendar for next year. It happens every year and it's a very, very legendary Vermont event. My name is Rocket, you're watching Rocket in Vermont, and I will see you in the next video.